I'll be talking on how to track your goods and make sure that your goods is already at the warehouse before you pay. A lot of people fall victim of, oh, I was my supplier told me that my goods are already at the warehouse, but I didn't confirm and I paid, and eventually I discovered that my goods wasn't at the warehouse. So please do well to watch these screenshots. I'll be putting up a screenshot on how to track your goods before making payment. Make sure that your goods is already at the warehouse before you make payment. Please. We're going to show you guys how to confirm if your goods has gotten to the warehouse before you make payment. It's really necessary that you confirm if your goods is already at the warehouse before you make payment. Okay, so first of all, click on this car icon so it will bring out all the goods that I've purchased and sent to the warehouse. Then after loading, let me click on this. You click on this car icon too. This is the information. You click on it, then let's wait for it to load. Then as you can see that the car is still about to leave. Okay, now this is the destination. Sorry, this is the destination. This is the warehouse that the warehouse address I actually get the supplier. All right, then you can see that this is still on its way. Let's check another one to see. Let me check this one. You see, click on the car icon. Let's see if it's still okay. You can see this one is still waiting for the vehicle to pick it up. This is my location, and this is the warehouse. So you see the car is not there, which shows that it's still awaiting pick up. Now let me check if there's anyone that is anyone that's gotten to the warehouse. Okay, let's check this and know if it has gotten to the warehouse. Let's check. Wow, so this has gotten to the warehouse. I actually ordered this was the few minutes ago and it's already at the warehouse. So this good here, you see the ticked good, it shows that it has gotten to the warehouse. Now if you confirm that from the people at the warehouse, if you confirm that it's already at the warehouse, the next thing you're going to do is to pay them. Okay, is to pay them. Now I want to pay them. For me to pay them, I have to click here. Okay, when I click on it, the next thing I'm going to do is also to click here. Guys, you have to have you need to have your interpreter, okay, to interpret. I'm already used to this thing, so I know where to click even without interpreting. Okay, so you click on it, make sure you interpret so as not to make any mistake. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to enter my transaction pin. Okay, for it to pay, you can see it's already ticked, which means I've paid them. And once I pay them, you will see that stuff, the item listed, it will be erased. Then let me check another one. Let me perform another one. You guys will see and be acquainted with it. Now let's check this one. Remember, you always have to click here. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's already at the warehouse. So let me pay them too. So you see, in case you didn't get the first one, you click here, then you also click here, and you enter your transaction pin and pay them. Okay, so this is, it will be erased. You will see it won't be listed here again. It will be taken out. Now let me show you guys something else. Assuming your goods has already been sent to the warehouse, okay, what you need to do is to click on this. If you want to confirm from your warehouse that, well, like you want to ask them if the goods is already there, what you need to do is to click this highlighted place. Now this place is highlighted. You copy, you click here, you see, you copy, and then you send to your whoever that is receiving your goods at the warehouse and confirm if the goods is already there before you make payments. Okay, so this is how to actually make payments and also to confirm if your goods has gotten to the warehouse. So now you've seen how to track your goods before you make payment. It's really necessary that you make sure contact your wholesale, sorry, your warehouse people, make sure that your goods is already at the warehouse. Make sure your goods is already at the warehouse before you make payment. Don't fall victim of making payments without your goods being at the warehouse. A lot of people have complained this to me, saying that they made payment, they did everything, and eventually they asked the person at the warehouse, and the person said no, they would not receive the goods. This stuff actually happened to me. I purchased, and I was told that I picked it up myself, and I didn't pick it up. What did I do? Because I confirmed from my warehouse person, the person at the warehouse, and the person told me that the goods didn't get there. I had to cancel. I had to contact the supplier and told the person, please, I need my money back. And my money was refunded fully, fully. So please, if you've not watched the video where I taught on how to differentiate between fake supplier and real supplier, please do well to watch the video. I'll be dropping the link. Do well to watch the video. And another thing, if you want me to make a video on how to talk with your supplier and how to ask for refund, full refund, not how they'll tell you, oh, that the delivery money will be given to you, that the only money that will be given to you is just the money for the stuff you purchased. No, I will teach you step by step on how to refund your money fully without anybody giving you any gist. So guys, thanks for watching this video.